Yeah, hello guys, we tried to drive one of the highway here in Kuala Lumpur this morning. This is the Maju Expressway or the MEX going towards Putrajaya. So let's go. Welcome aboard and let's go for a zoom. Early morning, and let us see how's the traffic like in the morning here. But you know, obviously it's going out of the country, going out of the city. So and that will welcome us with that breakdown in the. So we actually started here at the MEX Highway and joined in the MEX Maju Expressway. And basically this is also one of the roads going to the Kuala Lumpur International Airport. It took about 1 hour drive to Kuala Lumpur International Airport using this road. So what we will do is that we have this series on this highway, and then we're going inside Putrajaya. So that will be another segment of our tour this morning. So as you can see, the other side of the highway, on the right hand side there, is trying to build up, going towards the city center. And you can see all these features. We have a 3-lane carriageway on both sides, so it's basically a very wide kind of highway or expressway here, going in and out of the city. So if you can see those signages, that is the National Stadium, the complex Sukan Negara. So this is actually a very nice facilities that has been built. Maybe now is 25 years ago. It's well maintained because of the concession here. So please stay with me as we are driving through Putrajaya using the Maju Expressway or MEX, and enjoy the ride. And we will be talking while we are looking at some of the features or some of the landmarks. And this is actually the street pedaling. So you can see now the build-up of traffic at the right hand side. So imagine that, breathing into the city center every day. This is only just one highway. You know, there's a lot of highways that going inside, and it will be ending up with 2 or 3 lanes inside the city center. We're only trying to maintain our speed. We are not rushing. We're just we are on a tourist mode today, and trying to maintain in the middle lane. On the left hand side now is the National Stadium, where the Commonwealth Games and some of the big games or entertainments and stuff like that is being conducted. It's an early morning drive, 7 o'clock in the morning. Well, it's a little gloomy, but that is the normal weather here. And by the time that we reach Putrajaya, I think the sun will rise up, and that will be a very good scenery. And there you go. You can see that lights of the cars going down the hill. It's awesome. Signboard says Putrajaya is 23 kilometers and KLIA Kuala Lumpur International Airport is 46 kilometers. So like I've mentioned just now, it's just about more or less 25 kilometers here is Putrajaya, and 30 minutes Putrajaya, well 25 by the way, and KLIA is about 1 hour. So this segment will be end up at the probably at the toll plazas. And we will be continuing another series inside Putrajaya. Now we are approaching the first exit into this highway coming out from the city center. This is the Sri Kembangan Toll Plaza. So that exit will be going one of the university. I mean one of the exits going to that famous university here in Malaysia. I was always saying that there's a lot of green left-hand side of the road because of the weather here is that it usually rains in the afternoon. Although it's very hot during midday, it rains about 1 or 2 hours and stop. So you can see those green colors, green mountains still. Probably what I will do, I will drive through the first best area into this, just a drive through and going out, so you can see the facilities that it has been provided on this highway. And here we go, we're going inside this Sri Kembangan R&R or rest area. So this is how good the facilities being provided. You can see one of these establishment here on the left hand side. This used to be on during the MCO, or that's supposed to be treated for the during the COVID-19. So these are the facilities. You can have some restaurant inside, toilets, prayer room, and you can fill in your fuel here. But we are not stopping, we're going ahead. Hopefully can catch up the morning sun in Putrajaya. we're joining back the highway again.
Lane departure.
And ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And of course, with the aid of our onboard camera, disclaimer for the brand, it gives me a very good output. See those cars rushing in the morning? Drive safely, everyone. And by the way, thank you very much for all your support. For me getting 10,000 subscribers, and as I targeted this month, July 2026. Thank you very much.
Lane departure. Lane departure. Be aware of the vehicle ahead. Be aware of the vehicle ahead.
See that guy. So here we go. We have about 2 kilometers to Putrajaya and Cyberjaya. We're probably featuring Cyberjaya's
Lane departure.
next time, as we are going to Putrajaya this time. So that is actually the MRT going to the city center. If you notice it, that would be nice if there is a train passes by. One kilometer to the toll plazas. And here we go. This is the toll plaza Putrajaya. It's all fully automated toll plazas now. No more manual payment. So we are here at this my RFID. There you go. It's 3 ringgit and 50 cents. That is equivalent to more or less direct computations, 35 pesos in the Philippines. So here we go again, and thank you very much for riding with me on this first series, and wait for the next one inside Putrajaya. Thank you very much, and I'll see you again later. Ciao.